Hey good people, and welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing well. So remember in Sunday's video I told you guys that I still had a couple of more areas in the backyard that needed to be completed and winterized and done up, all of that good stuff. And so we only have about a week left. The first of the month is actually on Saturday, so we got to get cracking because we still have a good little bit to do. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the space that I'm going to be working in, and we're going to dive right in and get started. Okay, y'all, so here's a look at the space that I'm going to be working in today. So the goal is to try to get all of this done in this video. And the only thing I'm going to be doing in this space, you guys, is just raking up the leaves, cleaning out the area really, really well. Again, just as a quick reminder, I am going to be having some trees cut down in this space, so I'm not going to really do any landscaping because you can see here where I still have to add the additional brick edging, but I'm not going to do that until later on after I've gotten these trees removed. It just wouldn't make sense to do it now. But yeah, so I'm just going to basically be cleaning out this space here, all around here. And you can kind of see that there's leaves everywhere. And I'm also going to be cleaning out the leaves just all in this entire space here, all in this area here. So that is the plan. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So yeah, there's a lot of leaves here. And what I may end up doing, probably not in this video, because I'm still trying to wait patiently until the spring flowers are out, because I really don't want to plant any more winter flowers like the pansies. I don't want to plant any more of those. I do want to plant some flowers around this tree here. And typically whenever I plant flowers, I try to plant something that's either perennials or something that's going to basically last, the entire time, off, spring, summer, all the way into fall. So then that way I don't have to touch this area again. So that's what I'm planning to do. So I'm trying to wait patiently until they have a bigger selection of flowers out in the, the Lowe's, the Home Depot, whatever. So that's the plan. So thankfully the temperatures have warmed up yet again. So the high today is actually 73. So y'all, your girl got to take advantage of these wonderful, beautiful temperatures. So I'm gonna get out here, get this done, and I'm just loving it. Oh, I'm loving this nice warm weather. Oh my goodness. Might go ahead and wash the car later. But anyway, let's get started. So y'all, this is definitely my motivation for wanting to get these trees cut down in this particular space, because every fall is like this. I have so many leaves that I have to rake up. So I am so looking forward to having these trees removed and hopefully not having so many leaves to have to clean up in this space. So guys, like I told you earlier, the temperature outside was like 73, and just the other day it was literally 77 for the high. Y'all, it was hot, okay? It was literally almost 80 degrees. So tell us in the comments what the temperature is where you're at currently. So I was thinking that once I get these trees removed from this particular space, y'all, I think I want to redo the landscaping around this tree. I have something else in mind that I want to do in this space. So that is definitely something you guys can expect in a future project. So cleaning out this entire space took me about an hour and 45 minutes. And that's to rake up the leaves, that's to bag all the leaves, and just to kind of clean out the space a little bit. So I know you guys are like, oh my gosh, she's just raking up so many leaves. Yeah, it was a lot of leaves. I'm not gonna lie. So I want to quickly show you guys my progress so far and what I've done. Yeah, let's take a look at it. All right, y'all, so here's the final look of that space. As you can see, I've pretty much raked up the majority of the leaves in this area here. Kind of see that. And just as a quick reminder, at some point, whenever I get a larger storage house, I'm going to be putting my lawnmower, my wheelbarrow, all of that inside of the storage house, and there'll be nothing over here, and this will be a completely blank space where I can go ahead and landscape it and just do something different with this area. So for right now, my lawnmower has to stay where it's at, the wheelbarrow, all of that. But in the meantime, I'm really loving how this looks. I can't wait to actually get those trees removed so that way I can truly landscape over here the way I want to. Because remember, I told you guys my plan is to connect this edging all the way around to here. So connect all of that around and then just put a larger storage house right here. So that's the initial plan. But I wanted to show y'all, look how my hydrangeas are already starting to come back. Look at this, y'all. Look at that. So apparently I have the kind that grows on old stem. So thank God I didn't break the stem off. And I was looking at some of the other ones that I planted too. Look at this, y'all. I'm so happy. So thank God I did not cut back these old stems. I just left everything the way it is. Oh, look at that, y'all. So super happy. And y'all, I've already started raking the leaves from over in this area here too. You can see I have this huge pile right here. Yeah, y'all, just trying to get a head start. It's pretty windy outside, so that's why you see a lot of things are completely blown over. For example, my table and umbrella. Yeah, so it's pretty windy, but just wanted to show you guys how I've actually gotten a chance to come over in this area, rigged up a lot of the leaves. I still have that little patch right here that I have to rake up, but as of right now, everything looks so nice. Got a lot of the leaves raked up. So everything is starting to look really, really nice and fresh. So yeah, I'm excited. And do you guys remember the plum trees that I cut down? Well, look at that. You can see they're sprouting. They're starting to come back, the leaves. So I'm so excited. You guys might remember I had actually chopped down this tree back in, I want to say maybe September sometime when we started this project. Either August or September, something like that. But you can see that the leaves are starting to come back on the tree. Yay, I'm so happy about that. Because I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I was a little nervous about it at one point. So that's coming back. And then of course, my blueberry bush, you can see that it's nice and green already. Perfect. And it has little buds on it. Look at that. So it does have these little buds. So yeah, everything is sprouting. All of my hydrangeas. And like I told you guys before, I have the kind of hydrangeas that bloom on old stem. And you can kind of see that here. These are old hydrangea stems from last year that died out, and now they're in full bloom. So I'm so happy I didn't cut back those hydrangea plants or break off the sticks, because I would have been in trouble. Look at that. All right, you guys, so that concludes today's video. I got a lot done. I made my goal of getting all the landscapes in the backyard cleaned and ready and prep for spring before the end of February. Super excited about that. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me on this journey. I hope you guys found these videos inspirational to you, and I am so looking forward to spring, you guys. I'm ready to get out here and start planting my spring flowers and doing some more landscaping projects. But in the meantime, thank you guys so much for all of your support on my channel, and I will be seeing you guys really soon in my next video. Until then, bye now.